Is there a right and wrong way to ask for a review on Fiverr? In this video, I'll show you the professional and effective way to request feedback from your buyers. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. While you can't directly ask for a positive review, you can politely encourage buyers to leave any feedback, which is crucial for your growth. The best time to ask is right after you deliver a high-quality order. In your delivery message, you can add a polite and grateful sentence. A great template is, "I've delivered your order. Thank you for the opportunity to work with you. If you're satisfied with my work, I'd be thrilled if you could share your experience with a review." Avoid being pushy, demanding, or offering incentives for a review, as this is against Fiverr's policies. The focus should be on their experience, not the rating itself. A crucial pro tip: the best way to get a review is to earn it. By delivering amazing work and providing stellar communication, you make the buyer want to leave a good review. The ask is just a gentle reminder of the process. And just like that, you're professionally encouraging feedback that helps your business grow. Asking for reviews is a standard practice when done respectfully. What's your preferred phrasing when asking for a review? Share your template below. To maintain high standards, watch our next video on how to improve your Fiverr seller rating. Thanks for watching.